Hey guys, I'm posting finally a video. I have my computer back and just in time for the end of the semester. We've got a whirlwind of things to cover, but I wanted to show you a quick preview of a show that's up right now at the University Galleries in Uptown Normal. It's Basim Magdi, an Egyptian artist who's using a lot of film incorporated with his paintings, as well as writings and music. So here's a little clip of a recent walk into a gallery today with curator Kendra Pates talking a little bit, if you can hear in the background, about the pieces. So that gives you a little glimpse into the gallery space, as well as this darkened room that has a huge projected image of these videos that have a very collage nature to them, where they are influenced by all of these rather fantastic, fantasy-like surroundings that he's captured from reality, but transformed into something that seems rather surreal. So moving along, the fact of the matter is we are hitting the end, which means there's a lot to accomplish and things that have been going on throughout the semester, ongoing projects, and stretched out kinds of projects that we can really try to wrap up in the next week. But we do have some time then to respond to those, to be able to come back and revise those before everything is due on December 12th. As usual, you will find all that good information in the week 15 chapter, but I've also made sure that's available in a cohesive spot in course content. As you see that button up at the top, we've got the final exam essay questions, which you are all familiar with how that process goes. Please respond to these 5 questions. All of the points and such are given along with the titles of the questions that you will then copy and paste from your document into the exam that will be online. Don't forget, there's the group project that's been revised. We are currently not doing it as a group, not a group project, but as a community engagement project. So please make sure that you're on top of that piece. And then last but not least, the Museum of Me, part 3, where this is where you're actually solidifying a gallery space. Make sure that that URL is linked in an open, accessible gallery to the discussion post. Chapters 8 and 19 will see a lot of variety of discussion, a lot of challenging new ideas compared to what we've seen previously, and really starting to dive into abstraction, which is something that's going to be important to grasp to move on to the next chapter in contemporary art. Please, let me know if you guys have any specific questions, anything that is troubling or an issue that we can address here over the next couple of weeks, because we are simply running out of time to do any major adjustments. I hope you guys have had a great Thanksgiving and that you have a great rest of the week. I will plan on talking with you soon. Bye.